Good. Can you believe this wig is from Shein? Can you believe it's from Shein? Honey, look at the inches. Look at the inches. Look at this body, honey. Look at this lace. It's from Shein. Girl, it's from Shein.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. Yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option, I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission like woo. my rules. Big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on that leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time.
Alright y'all, so I obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Shein. Nah girl, you didn't hear me wrong. I said Shein, okay? This unit is from Shein. Once again, for the people in the back. So this wig is their black wig. The length is 28 inches. The density is 180%. And it's a 13 by 6. Yes, I did say 13 by 6, girl. And then it's some more. Then it's some more. Like, you're not gonna hit welter back here, girl. Okay. Then it's some more. Okay. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Okay. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That all that I see about the details just on the information they sent me. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site and see can I get some more details for y'all. So it says transparent lace body weight 4x4, 13x4, and 13x6 lace frontal wig, 150, 180% density, 12 to 30 inches, natural black color, pre-plucked wig. Girl, they ain't lie. They ain't lie. I was a little skeptical. I'm not gonna hold you, sis. I was a little skeptical, but we'll get into that, okay? All right, y'all. So on the site, it says hair color natural and black. The color is black, but it's more of a natural color. I wouldn't say it's black, so no. It's definitely more of a natural color. It says can be perm, dyed, and bleached. It's a lace front wig. It says body weight. The lace color is dark brown. I felt like the lace color was more of a transparent, but honey, that's just me. It says density fuller or natural. You can get either or. So it's like 150% you can get, or you can get the 180% like I have, which is more of a fuller, you know, density. It says human hair, and then it gives you the SKU. So those are all the details and specs that they have on the actual site. Now, honey, girl, I'm not gonna hold y'all little sugar, okay? Old girl came pre-tweezed. Like I didn't do anything to this hairline. Now I did bleach the knots. I am on that kick, you guys know. I have been bleaching knots lately. I'm not gonna hold you, so it took me a long time to realize what bleaching knots did. And once I realized what it did, then I started doing it. But as far as tweezing, I did not do any of the things. Like, other than bleaching the wig, what you see is what you get. The length, like I said, is 28 inches. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, old girl did not do any of the things. But this is straight out of the packaging. It's not to say old girl won't. At some point, just a straight out of the packaging, old girl is doing none of the things. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, is extremely big head friendly. So bear that in mind. I still feel like I have a lot of extra cap back here. Like the cap is capping. I do feel like I have a lot of extra cap. So if you have a smaller head, either see if they can get it to you in a smaller size, or girl, you know, she may not be for you. But as far as medium to large head, I feel like you can make it work. I am an average cap size, and old girl is working for me. As you guys can see, old girl is working. Okay, so that's pretty much all the details and specs I can think of off the dome. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because I like to end on a high note, and I'm not gonna hold you, sis. I couldn't think of one. Let me look at the price. Alright y'all, so I went ahead, I looked at the price as far as the length that I have, which is 28 inches, and it's still $196. Girl, I don't have a con. Sorry about it. So sorry about it. I don't have a con, okay? Moving on, okay? Unless this hair quality is just sucky, and honestly, the hair feels good. Like, right now, I don't have a con. Moving on. My pros are endless. In my opinion, this unit is affordable. It is under $200 for 28 inches. It came pre-plucked. Now, as far as the bleaching, girl, she was not bleached. Okay, I ain't gonna hold you. She wasn't bleached, but that's not even a big thing. I feel like they have so many products out there now that you don't necessarily have bleach unless you're just on that kick like I am. But girl, as well as styling it was easy. The texture, the hair feels good. All those things are all pros for me. Okay, my number one pro is always gonna be, oh girl can't tweeze. I'm not the best tweezer, okay? I'm not the best tweezer. So that is always gonna be a pro. And like I said, it was really easy to style. It was really easy to install. So yeah, those are all my pros. Girl, did you not hear me say a 28 inch human hair wig was under $200? Yes, I would recommend it, girl. Okay, I would recommend it. If you're on a budget and you want some long hair, Shein obviously is your girl. She's your girl. Period. All right, moving on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all can let me know down below what you guys think in the comments. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. What you guys think? Did you know Shein was Shein and like this, girl? Let me know. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out you Shein for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. Oh, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helping Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely got every style.